Most people using AI on YouTube will never make money, not because AI does not work, but because of these 5 mistakes. Sorry, don't mind my location. Actually, I just came here for a privacy, like less noise, so I can do this video for you. The 5 mistakes that you should avoid while using AI. Now, if you are using AI on YouTube and still not making money, AI is not the problem. The real problem is most people are making these 5 mistakes, which I will show you right now. This is part 3 of our AI monetization series. So if you haven't watched the part 1, the part 2. So after this video, you can go down to watch the part 1 and part 2 of this video. So let's go down to it. Mistake 1, using AI without originality. Using AI, this is the biggest mistake I see people using AI do. They copy content and so on and so forth. They generate scripts, voices, image, and upload without adding personal exclamation like this disputes. Like in YouTube now, why uploading video on YouTube and you use AI to create a video? You should at least put a personal exclamation, a dispute to them, telling them that you use AI in generating this video for them to know. If not, once they see that kind of content, they will think that this is a reused content. It is not you that create a video on yourself using AI. It's someone video you pick. That's why you don't know that this video is AI. So if you upload video and use video AI to create it, make sure you write those disclaimations of the video. Let YouTube know that this video was made by AI. I will show you how to do it. I will just show you screenshots. You'll see it here. How to say it. This video is made by AI and everything, stuff like that. And upload. Personal exclamation. Then YouTube sees this as a reuse or low value content. And that is why many channels get low reach, monetization, rejection, and no growth at all. Now, how to fix this issue now? Use AI as a tool, not as a replacement. Understand what I'm saying? Use AI as a tool, not as a replacement. Add your own exclamation. Make sure you add your own exclamation. Change structures. Teach something clearly. AI should assist your creativity, not remove it. AI should assist your creativity, not remove it. Get that? Like most people now would use AI for everything. You ask AI, I want to go and do this one. Help me in this aspect. No. At times, use your head. Well, mistake 2, choosing the wrong niche. Most people don't know how to choose the right niches. So they end up choosing wrong niches that end up not getting monetized at all or being rejected after hitting the monetization criteria and so like that. Now, not every niches make money, even if the video gets views. Get that? Understand this? Not every niches make money, even though the video gets views. Some niches get views but no ads, because some company will not like to run ads or do deals with you based on some niches you're using. Now, get views but no ads and have low CPM. You may be monetized, but you'll be wondering why your CPM is very low. Why are you making so small money? You see some other people will get small views, but they will be making high income. But you'll be having high views, like 4 million views or 200 million views, and you'll be paid maybe $100 or $1,000. And person that's having over 10 million views is making over $100,000. Meanwhile, you that have over 200 million views they paid you $1,000. Now you understand the problem now. So attract audience that does not pay. So now how to fix this? Choose monetization niche such as AI tech, AI and tech, YouTube education. Like what I'm giving you now is called a YouTube education. I'm educating you, I'm enlightening you about YouTube. Now, Digital skills. Number 3, digital skills, online business. Those ones now. If advertiser do not spend money in your niche, you won't make money. This content, if this content is the content that advertiser will surely pay for to get this. Then now, mistake 3, posting without a system. Now, many creators post video randomly, post title, random titles, random topics, random thumbnails, and hope one video go viral. That is not a strategy. That is called gambling. What you're just doing is called gambling on that way. You're not gambling with your content, thinking that okay, one day one will go viral someday. One might go viral, but that one is not guaranteed. It's not a guaranteed system that will make you consistent money. Like, you don't. Then how to fix this issue now is this: use a simple system. One niche, one content type, clear audience. Now you want to understand the kind of audience you want in your channel. If you want an audience like if you're posting about car, what you look for is audience that love car business, love car dealership, that so they can be able to do deals with you in terms of car aspects, like all this kind of Ferrari, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Mercedes Benz, BMW. Once you have a clear niche that even those companies will understand, okay, yes, this person is giving about our car review. Now let's do business partnership with them, or let's collaborate with this person. They're going to give you, call you or chat you up on YouTube or send you a message, direct message, and tell you that please, I want you to be our influencer, so you'll be able to advertise our car, any new car and stuff like that. So now you understand what I'm saying now. So short is for growth. Short videos is for short content. Rips is for growth. Then long video is for trust. Don't misplace these two things. Short is for growth, while long is for trust. Get that? Consistent beat varieties every fucking time. Consistent beat variety every time. Now, mistake 4. Depending only on ad series. All this AdSense, don't depend only on AdSense. You understand what I'm saying? Once you're creating YouTube, like me personally now, why I created YouTube now? That I want to be a brand dealership of, or a influencer of a company, a product, a service. I'm hoping one day, maybe all this big company, like phone company, probably like that, iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, car biz company, BMW, Mercedes Benz, any of them, and maybe call me one day, okay, be our influencer or be our partnership, be our partner in this video, in this kind of our deals. They will pay you stuff like that, like what Mr. Beast is doing. You see some company are paying him over 3.2 million dollars just for him to run ads for them. Just imagine that. $3.2 million. Someone is being paid for run ads. So such a thing that I want to be. So that's it. And again, many channels wait for months for monetization. Make pennies at a start and get discouraged and quit. How to fix this? Monetize early with affiliate link, digital skills, service, or consolidating. Simple products. Ads are just for foundation, not the main income. Mistake 5. Quitting too early. Most people quit right before the result shows up. They post for 2 weeks, 1 month, then stop. Maybe after posting for just 1 week, 2 weeks, and they not see any result, they quit or stop posting. Now, YouTube rewards patience, consistency, and improvements. You need to be very patient while building a YouTube brand. It's like take YouTube as if you want to build a physical business or a physical shop now, you know that definitely this shop should take after installing the shop, buying some goods, putting the shop and everything. You understand? Those things will take time. Then to be seeing customers from the business, you know that this business should at least take 2 to 3 months to a year for people to get recognized of your business, to recognize your business and know exactly how to do it. So if you do a YouTube one week and it doesn't result, try be patient, continue posting, improving. Not only be patient, but improving in your packaging of your thumbnails, your title, your description, and everything. Be improving. Now, how to fix this? Commit to 90 days learning for analysis, and also improve thumbnails and hooks. Growth is slow, then sudden. The winning framework to monetize YouTube using AI. Use AI plus originality, then choose a high CPM niche, which I've mentioned earlier before. Then post with a system. Monetize beyond ads. Then also stay consistent. And this is how creators win. Now, if you're interested about learning this step by step, I do privately, monitoring you, where I guide creators personally and help them avoid mistake. You can reach me through WhatsApp in my about section, only for ready, serious-minded people. AI is powerful, but strategic is what makes money. Subscribe to Godwin Freedom for more YouTube, monetization, AI, and digital skills. See you in the next one.